get started.
Alright, so yeah, we're making a tucking fork.
Yeah?
This is the first piece.
Okay.
We need 2 forks, or 2 prongs to make a fork.
Right. I have no idea what you're talking about.
Alright, so we gotta stand back a little here.
Okay. That entire time I was worried I was gonna need more glasses.
Oh. No. Well, I can smooth this after we have 2 of them made, I suppose. So, we'll just use this.
It's making my eyes water though since it's really bright.
Yeah, don't stare right at it. We'll just use this to measure it, look. So we can make 2 of the same length.
Yeah.
And let's just see.
Yeah.
2 next to each other. Go back up again and cut this piece. And if you just stay over there, you're fine because it's going to shoot straight down and behind me. No, you're good over there. Yeah, this will work.
Huh?
Just going to use this.
Can we use our mallet? What about the mallet? What about the ginormous mallet?
Not yet.
Why can't we use the mallet? Bang! Bang!
So that's the surface we want flat. See how that got pretty flat?
Oh yeah, that's kind of cool.
It's a little rough yet, it's warm.
Yeah, it's like it's like a stop sign, but it's thicker, right?
Right. Okay, so that'll be the inside piece. We'll have to do that to both of the prongs.
Uh-huh.
On the inside.
What about this?
That we'll use in the end. These are going to get welded to that
Okay.
in the end. But,
Are you gonna make another pickle fork?
No, we got a pickle fork.
I remember watching my dad's video. That video is funny.
So, I think we could we'll just make one of the prongs, because it doesn't pay to do the same thing twice.
Yeah.
So let's just draw on here the shape that we want this to be.
What?
So halfway up roughly, we're going to start, I'll make a little mark here. So that's the back side. She's 1. And then down to about 1/8 of an inch. Just like that. See the pencil line? I gotta match that on the other side.
Oh.
So I'm gonna measure it from the flat spot. And then I mark it, or lock that in. Flip this over, and we can mark it on the other side.
Yep.
It'll be about the same.
Wah, wah. Oh.
See that? So it's a little hard to see.
I can steal his pencil.
Okay. Take a pencil. Goose.
Aren't I hilarious, Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
What? That's the shape I'm looking for. Make another one out of that. Hold it on.